It was in the aftermath of this economic crisis that on October 31st, 2008, a link to a technical paper appeared on an obscure online mailing list. The paper proposed a radical new form of electronic money. It was to be called Bitcoin, and it would be distributed over a decentralized network. Its creator was a mysterious figure who went by the name of Satoshi Nakamoto.
Satoshi Nakamoto is the guy that invented Bitcoin. We don't really know who he is. Maybe he's a guy, a girl, a group of people, we don't know. He created the software that implements the idea of the paper. And in the end of 2010, when the community got bigger enough to the project to stay without him, he totally disappeared from everywhere.
Some people claim that he's from the CIA. Some other crazy people say he's from the Illuminati. Some other people say it's like aliens technology, or it's the artificial intelligence from the future, who knows? But because it's amazing how one human being can come up with such a brilliant idea.
It is a hard problem to solve. Traditionally, I send you money through a bank, so the bank is a trusted entity. If I give money to the bank and the bank gives you money, then you trust that the money you receive because you trust the bank. You don't trust me, right? So if we take away the bank, how do you trust that I've given you money when software and data and files can be copied?
A digital cash electronic system, a way to transfer value through the internet that doesn't have a government or an enterprise or a foundation controlling this technology. Bitcoin is run by the people.
From Latin America to Asia, Bitcoin began to appear across the world. Within a year of its creation, it had become a global movement. The dream was to create a new virtual world where money would flow as freely as information.